Chefs, you have arrived at the chopping block.
I'm your host and chopped enthusiast, Samantha Seneviratne.
I doubted myself for a minute, but it turned out pretty good.
And I'm here to make you unchoppable
You've been chopped.
by correcting common mistakes from chopped history. Let's see what today's lesson is, shall we? Yikes, this is scary. This is not a great presentation. Would you post a picture of this on Instagram? Yeah, neither would I. It looks like something my son made. I think we have a clip for this.
Chef,
Yes.
walk over there and get me a plate.
Okay.
Go get me a plate. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
Now I can eat this, thank you.
invert it?
I did invert it because I want to eat it and I want to see how it was made.
I'm so bummed when I see contestants nail it on the flavor, but then they get chopped because of poor presentation. Whether it's a last-minute saucing, or using a basket ingredient as just a garnish, or using the wrong size plate. These are the things you have to think about, not only when competing on a game show, but also when you're hosting a dinner party, or just snapping that Graham-worthy shot. It's not just the judges who notice. And we all know that deconstructed just means you ran out of time. Taste alone doesn't make you unchoppable. You still have to build an eye-catching plate. If you think of your dish like a Broadway show, there's one main character, but then you need the whole cast to bring it to life.
Everything about this bite of food shows the kind of chef you are and can be. But asparagus and potatoes, that's superfluous. There's no need for these to be on the plate. And then let's talk about that butcher's joint. If I were eating at my wife's grandmother's house, it's very endearing to find that string. However, if I were paying for this, or if I were judging you on Chopped, I would be upset to see this on my plate.
When I'm hosting a brunch for friends, I like to do a big salad. It's colorful, I can put whatever I want in there. It's like a choose your own adventure. So I'm gonna make a big old steak salad that's gonna look beautiful and taste great. This is everything you want in an entree salad. It's hearty enough to really satisfy, but also super easy to put together. I have some beautiful peppery radishes. I have some super salty crumbled feta cheese. Ooh, these beautiful heirloom tomatoes, and some nice fresh peaches, which are also gonna bring a really nice juicy sweetness to our salad. So I have all my ingredients ready. I'm gonna get started on my visually pleasing, hearty steak salad. Once you see it, you will not be able to stop yourself from digging in. So the first thing we need to do is sear our skirt steak. So I have 2 pounds of skirt steak here. I've cut it into 3 pieces to make it a little more manageable and trimmed off some of the excess fat. And we're gonna sprinkle that with some ground coriander. I have some smoked paprika, salt and pepper, of course, and we'll also do some olive oil on there. We've also oiled our grill and gotten it nice and hot. That side looks good. Use our tongs to flip them over and then season the other side. More smoked paprika, coriander, salt, olive oil. It's like art. And don't forget some nice black pepper. Okay, we'll get this on our grill. We'll do 4 minutes aside for nice medium rare steak. Beautiful, and I forgot to pepper that side, so we'll just do it now. So now I'm gonna get the ingredients for my dressing. So we're gonna make an herby ranch-style dressing, which goes so well with steak. So I have mayonnaise here, then we have some sour cream, and then I have some buttermilk. We'll whisk that together until it's smooth. It's been 4 minutes, so I'm gonna flip my steak. Yum. Okay, we'll let those go another 4 minutes. And to this, we can add some finely chopped garlic, some olive oil, have some chopped parsley, some chopped dill, and some chopped chives. Some freshly ground black pepper, some kosher salt. And last but not least, we have a lemon, and I'm gonna zest this lemon and get some juice out of it. Maybe we'll do 2. that. And now we can whisk together our dressing. It's gonna be so creamy and peppery. It's gonna be a nice combination. My steaks are perfect, medium rare. I'm gonna set these aside to rest and then get the ingredients for my salad. I'm gonna start with these beautiful peaches. First take out the pit. I'm gonna make some nice wedges. So I'm sort of turning the knife around the peach. Okay, let's cut some tomatoes. I like to cut them this way. It's gonna help us build a really beautiful plate. Like that. Look at that. All right, we'll just move those over there. A few of these beautiful cherry tomatoes. I'm cutting them on the equator in half just so that you can see all the beautiful insides. It seems nitpicky, but all these little details are just gonna make your salad really beautiful and get you that win. It's good to have a lot of different colors going on, and we also have a lot of different shapes and sizes, and that's gonna make our salad really beautiful as well. And I am going to use this mandolin to slice my radishes really thinly. Look at that. Beautiful thin slices. This is an endive or an endive, depending on, I guess, where you live or who you know. They're really beautiful. They're also delightfully bitter and crunchy. I usually just cut the bottoms off and then just sort of break them apart into these beautiful leaves. And the little ones on the inside, they're so cute. How could you chop one of these guys up? Let's do one more endive. I have no idea how you actually pronounce it. Somebody will tell me, I'm sure. I think we're well prepped. Let's get our platter and we can start building our salad. You might reach for a big bowl when you're making a salad, but a platter is gonna give us the opportunity to see all of our beautiful ingredients laid out like a piece of art. I'm gonna start with my greens. I have some baby arugula here and some watercress. That looks cute. Tomatoes, I'm freestyling. I'm just trusting my body here, trying to make it cute. Some green ones, like so. Let's get some radishes in here. They're so pretty. I always sort of put them in clusters because I like how that looks. Some endive, so fun. I'm sort of looking at this abstractly and building quadrants of color, trusting my body, trying to look at it like a canvas and have fun with it. Let's get some of these cutie little cherry tomatoes. I'm sort of putting them mostly cut side up because I think it looks nice. Now we have to get some peaches over here, huh? Look at these. Like that. Now she needs something, she's a little heavy on this side, so let's put endive. That'll sort of round out our pink corner over here. And the feta cheese. And finally, some sunflower seeds for some salty crunch. My salad looks so beautiful, and this is still a little bit warm, so I don't want to put the steak right on my salad. I'll make a separate pretty steak plate. Now, you want to cut the steak this way, but that's going with the grain, so you have to cut it against the grain. It's gonna make much nicer pieces to eat. It's cooked perfectly. So I'm gonna get a platter for my steak. We'll put down some of our dressing. I'm just gonna lay the steak as is. I don't wanna manipulate it too much. Dress it with a little bit of salt and some tender herbs. So pretty. I'm gonna put some herbs on my salad too. Gorgeous. It looks so good. I just wanna eat that piece of steak right there. I'm just gonna set this steak aside so when my platters are empty after my guests have eaten their first round, I can refill as necessary. We're done with this beautiful steak salad, and now I'm gonna make myself a little plate to enjoy.
Whose dish is on the chopping block?
Oh, no, you don't. This steak salad is unchoppable. It's got texture and brightness. It looks amazing. So mouth-watering. I'm gonna taste some. It's really good. I'm just gonna eat the whole thing. Thank you for watching, and remember, don't get chopped.